What's going on, guys? Back with another video. We're doing exercise 18 in the CAD artifacts. In the whatever book. So it's a pretty simple design today, but it's one of those things where it shows off the principles that you're going to need to know if you're going to want to continue in this. So hope you guys enjoy. This right here is a little complicated if you don't know what you're doing. So to get those polygons in there, just select poly, type in how many sides you want, and then select, if you want the polygon on the outside of the circle, select circumscribed, and if you want it on the inside, select inscribed. And that's all it really takes. I just wanted to make sure you guys know what's going on with that. Alright, y'all, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna have another one out tomorrow. It's gonna be a great day, so y'all go enjoy it.